Question 1. The graph below shows the distribution of points per game scored by teams during 1 week of a basketball league. How many teams scored 30 or more points per game? Choice A, 12. Choice B, 20. Choice C, 22. Choice D, 29. Question 2. The graph below shows the distribution points scored per game by teams in 1 week. How many teams are represented in the graph? Question 3. The list shows the scores made by each member of Jamie's discussion group on the last test. 71, 80, 62, 93, 68, 87, 73, 78. Which stem and leaf plot correctly displays the information? Is it choice A, choice B, choice C, or choice D? Question 4. 76, 79, 75, 77, 74. For the data listed, the value 76.2 represents the mean, median, mode, range. Question 4. For the data set below, 76, 79, 75, 77, 74. The number 76.2 represents the choice A, mean, choice B, median, choice C, mode, choice D, range. Question 5. Sally is on the street watching cars go by and records the color of each car. She makes the table below. Car color, number of cars. Red cars, 6. Green cars, 13. Blue cars, 5. If Sally wanted to figure out the probability of a blue car passing by, would she use experimental probability or theoretical probability? Choice A, theoretical probability. Choice B, experimental probability. Question 6. Michelle bought a packet of jelly beans. The packet contains 16 green jelly beans, 12 red jelly beans, 14 yellow jelly beans, and 18 orange jelly beans. She chooses one jelly bean at random. What is the probability it is an orange jelly bean? Select all that apply. Choice A, 0.3. Choice B, 0.04. Choice C, 30%. Choice D, 1/5. Choice E, 3/10. Choice F, 20%. Question 7. A 6-sided die is rolled. What is the probability that an even number will be rolled? Choice A, 1/2. Choice B, 1/3. Choice C, 1/5. Choice D, 1/6. Question 8. Marcus has a part-time job at the rec center. He has 16 regular basketballs and 4 multicolored basketballs. If he randomly selects a basketball, what is the probability that he selects a regular basketball? A, 1/20th, 2, 1/5, C, 1/4, D, 4/5. Question 8. Options are choice A, 1/20, choice B, 1/5, choice C, 1/4, or choice D, 4/5. Question 9. Matt has a standard deck of 52 cards. 4 of the cards are kings. If he selects a card randomly, what is the probability that he selects a king? Choice A, 12/13, choice B, 1/12, choice C, 1/13, choice D, 1/52. Question 10. A fair number cube has 6 faces, numbered 1 through 6. Kate plans to roll the cube 120 times. How many times should she expect the cube to land face up on a 4? Choice A, the 4 will land face up about 100 times. B, the 4 will land face up about 40 times. C, the 4 will land face up about 20 times. D, the 4 will land face up about 4 times. Question 11. David went fishing. He recorded the length of each fish he caught in centimeters: 22, 34, 35, 18, 20, 39, 21, 35, 12. Which frequency table organizes this set of data correctly? Choice A, choice B, choice C, or choice D? Question 12. A recent survey asked the question, how many books do you own? The results are shown in the histogram below. According to the histogram, how many people own between 6 and 15 books? Choice A, 4, choice B, 5, choice C, 9, choice D, 11. Question 13. The word Pennsylvania is placed in the grid below. The probability of throwing a dart at the grid and not hitting the letter N is 3/4. This describes the theoretical probability, true or false. Choice A is true, choice B, false. Question 14. What is the theoretical probability of the spinner's arrow landing on the number 2 or 5? Choice A, 1/5. Choice B, 2/5. Choice C, 1/25. Or choice D, 2/25. Question 15. In the dartboard below, each small rectangle has the same area. A dart is thrown, and it lands in one of the small rectangles. What is the probability that the dart lands in a rectangle containing the letter D? Is it choice A, 1/16? Choice B, 1/8? Choice C, 3/16? Choice D, 7/8? Question 16. The spinner below has 4 equal parts labeled A, B, C, and D. You spin it 20 times, and it lands on B 8 times. If you continued at this rate, how many times would you land on the letter B after 60 spins? Is it choice A, 9, choice B, 16, choice C, 12, choice D, 24? Question 17. Sue rolled a dice 40 times and recorded her results in the table below. True or false? The theoretical probability of rolling a 2 is greater than the experimental probability of rolling a 2. So T for true or F for false? Sue rolled a 1 11 times. She rolled a 2 6 times. She rolled a 3 9 times. She rolled a 4 7 times. She rolled a 5 3 times. She rolled a 6 4 times. Question 18. You're playing a game of darts, and you make the target 12 out of 20 throws. If you continue at this rate, how many times will you make the target out of 50 throws? Question 19. Determine if the following statement is true or false. You toss a fair-sided coin 10 times and get tails 7 times. This is an example of experimental probability. True or false? Question 20. True or false? The theoretical probability of rolling a 6 on a number cube labeled 1 through 6 is 1/2. Choice A, true. Choice B, false.